Another way that we can write a vector is in component form, okay? So component form, writing in ai+bj form, So in component form, we just said the vector was xy, right? And this is that same picture we've talked about before. Well, in ai plus bj form, we talk about I as being the vector that has a horizontal component 1 unit to the right, and j as being the vertical vector that travels 1 unit up. So all we're doing is taking the horizontal of our component form and putting an I with it, and taking the vertical component and putting a j with it. So it's the same thing we just did, except now we're looking at the I and the j. Okay? So this says we have a vector with the initial point 0, 0. Write the vector in the form of ai plus bj. Well, let's look at the horizontal component. We go -6 to the left, correct? And we go down 3. So this vector would have the component form of -6, -3, right? ai plus bj form would be -6i minus 3j. And yes, it really is that easy, okay? If I have, here's the same thing, so we're writing vector v in ai plus bj form. If we look at the horizontal component, we go 6 units to the right, and the vertical component is -5 units. So we would say the vector is 6i minus 5j.